Am I a part of those people who Allah loves? According to a verse within the Holy Quran, who's our best friend? The Commander Faithful, Amir al-Mu'mineen, Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam. Do we know 4 stages of repentance? According to a narration by the Commander of the Faith, what act is more rewarding than going around the Holy Kaaba 7 times? According to a narration by the Imams of Ahlul Bayt, may Allah's peace and blessing be upon them, where they said, when you go around the Kaaba 7 times, Allah will reward you 6,000 good deeds, and Allah will cleanse you 6,000 sins, and Allah will elevate you 6,000 levels. However, when you grant a need of a believer, a mu'min, Allah will reward you 60,000 good deeds and will cleanse you 60,000 sins and will elevate you 60,000 levels. Am I a part of those people who Allah loves? According to a verse within the Holy Quran, chapter 2, verse 222, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, surely Allah loves those who turn much to Him, and He loves those who purify themselves. Who's our best friend? The Commander Faithful, Amir al-Mu'mineen, Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, states that your best friend is the one that rushes toward doing good deeds, and he takes you with them, and he commands you to do good deeds, and he helps you to do good deeds.